Welcome. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. They reach you from Independent Television. Anyway, we say they watch us for across the world. But we're there for Benin here, and this when we say they happen around Benin here, they happen for those states, then we say we'll go look now. For time when we say never tea, we come hear different things. They happen for one community when we say they call Okoromi, when we say they for Iyekogba for that side, for Oredu. So this matter come the ground forces. Then the next one come they hear now. The tipper driver come talk on that and say, as it be now, we not give anybody sound again until we say the matter go end and the rest. Because that one, Waka go cut people, they want to say they're in charge of these two communities. When they talk to us, make we know what they really happen. Why BC some people to say we not go agree again. Something must happen before they say they not go agree again. Because of this, I will go get the Okaile of Okoromi community. Lucky, you don't tell me your other name. Welcome to our program. I greet you. I will get you with us here, the Vice Chairman for Edo State Tipper Driver Association. What's your name?
My name is Eda Austin Omoarega.
Omoarega, welcome to our program.
Thank you.
Now you will start with. What will happen when BC and your talk say, from now on, we're not going to give anybody sound again, or let they do this or do this. What will happen?
Okay. What can happen? We say some of our members, even the chairman, the state chairman of Edo Tipper Driver Association, Reverend Osa Austin Huago, they buy land for community, what they call Okoromi. Now, when they buy land there, like Mr. Eddie, he bought land from Egbire before. When they come say they don't share boundary, now they say Eddie don't fall for inside the Okoromi area. Now you go meet her.
This Eddie, a member of the...
Yes, a member of the Edo Tipper Driver Association.
Okay.
Now, he go meet Ohen, then Oho can tell us say that land may forget that land. If you know say you need land
for Okoromi.
Okay. If you know say you need land for Okoromi, the same money when you take buy that land from Egbire, you will go bring am. How much you take buy? He say na 1 million. Oho say you should go and bring 1 million. Now him Eddie go find 1 million, go give Oho through Mr. Joe.
Okay.
When he give him, Mr. Joe, they come.
Who be Mr. Joe?
Nah, Ebo Amagba, junior brother.
Okay. In the work for Okoromi, I've been waiting.
Now, through him, they take buy the land before.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So, as they give
to help us cut the matter short, because we don't get plenty time.
Yes.
So, wait till come back on the and no go, come the supply sand again.
Yes, as he pay that money, they give him this approval.
Okay.
Okoromi.
Okay. Man, see the approval.
See the approval.
Okay. Carry on, they hear you.
Yes. Now, after this approval, they come they build. As they build, again the 100 by 100, their whole block, their whole granite. Ohon for Okoromi use a tail cut the 50 by 100 by 100 into two. Tell them say make them not enter.
The other 50 by 100, okay.
That one number one reason why we say we not go there. Two, our state chairman, Comrade Austin, Unwago, the balance there, 1 by 2. They enter there, the building when they don't put for there. Building where they don't put for there, they break them down.
For Okoromi now, before
Okoromi.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
They break them down, they erect another building.
It's just not that spot, Sha.
Now that spot.
Okay.
You understand? Then the third one, that one, he buy 100 by 100.
On a member too?
Yes.
Okay.
When he buy 100 by 100, or when they demarcate their boundary
between Egbire and Okoromi now,
it can't fall for inside.
For Okoromi?
Yeah, it can't fall for Okoromi side. Ohe then was Okagili. Ohe demanded for.
No, it never tell when they share on
talk. So now Ohe was Okagili then.
Okay.
He said they should go and raise 300,000 to make sure everything coins. You understand? Then they went and give Ohen 300,000 through a boy.
Okay. We will come back to this
then
one.
After that one, he said that they walk. Okay. Now, as they were walking, he used their block, take cotton, to say, don't enter this side again. Okay. For the say 50 by 100, where they
come between 5 by 50 now.
Yes.
5 by 100 now.
100 by 50 by 100, 50 by 100.
Okay.
You understand? 100, they share into two.
Okay.
Now, they can still go meet Ohen. Ohen can say, okay, when I go discuss with Okagari, this man will sit down with me. So.
Okay.
After the discussion, Okagari said they bring 400,000. They give this man 400,000.
Who be them?
The person when you get the land.
Okay.
When
and
they give this
all
man
these people, all these people are members of your.
Of our unit.
Okay, you know what? We will come back to that because I want to make me see the talk and this about see you as low talker. You know, you like to the rush your words, and I like that. You like to make sure say your words them they drop.
Yeah.
So many things when we say you say you don't talk now.
Yes.
Because of say according to which they don't never talk am. It's because of the land we say they buy. When we say failure for some day for Egbiri before, when they can't do the new land demarcation, it come from our side, and I saw them on bring money, they don't bring money come, and no agreement be say they work and all that, even if you just say buy them before and all of that.
Thank
so I want to find out from you,
Let me
Osadiaye.
Yes.
Because it gets is when we say you talk. Or maybe
yes. You see, I dey shame as my brother they talk so.
Okay. With the shame say because your community did no good.
No, what
okay.
They talk. With the new development so, you're not supposed to talk what they talk so.
Okay.
You see this paper where you may just cut them short first. There was a lady called Peggy that came to meet me in respect of the same land, saying buy from Egbiri. I said, wait, the matter is before High Court of Justice here in Benin City.
Okay.
So since the matter is in the court, just wait. Any outcome of the court, if now Horomin will come, if now Egbiri will go meet Egbiri will sell for you. She knelt down in my house. They begged me, say, I beg. He no one lose. He don't know. So I don't demarcate the boundary. I said, okay. The only thing I can do for you, I will adopt the old method the elders of the community they use of sharing 50-50. If then you know satisfy, go. You can say okay. She promised before God and man. The agreement was 800,000 naira, and she agreed that because the money was not available with her there. So the next time she can go bring her and say, well, even though you don't see me, person will direct you come.
If you see her,
no, but because I don't too much day around. He said, okay.
I this moment request for the development of the community.
That was the last time I saw the woman till today.
Okay.
Few days later, two persons with one lady, three men with one lady came in respect of the same land. And I said, don't be you first same person come, one Mrs. Peggy. He said, yes. He not tell you what you resolve. He said, yes. He said, Peggy tell her, say, we want share, and you don't want share. And I said, I don't want to discuss anything. Since the matter still dey court, mo just leave the matter. If you finish, mo na come. Then the two drivers wey follow up wey identify themselves as tipper drivers threatened, say this might affect us tomorrow. And I say no. One, as we dey talk now, you say una give the person 400,000, of which me I no dey there. If na that 400,000 wey dey talk say you give the person, so I can volunteer right here, give you the money, but wait for the outcome of the case in court. He said the thing might affect us, that they might withdraw their services from our own area. I said, one, the land you are saying it was not bought with the name of Tipper Drivers Association. Now, woman, now he buy this land, according to their explanation. And the woman even there abroad. So because they surprised, the woman is still member for Tipper Association. That is why I say I dey shame just now when they talk.
But you not call any woman name.
Wait, let me tell you the facts now.
Now you dey bring woman, they come in. I don't call woman name.
I was the person. Wait now. You talk,
okay.
I don't interrupt you. Now me they come meet. Now woman come meet me. Say na him get her. The other way they claim saying husband and tipper. He say na mama even na him they buy the land for it there, but she was signatory to the approval. They bought everything from Egbiri.
Okay, but we'll come back to
this paper in your hand now. This is the exact paper where the tipper chairman put on air for television and radio, everything. Say Ohe personally sold land to him. He gave Ohe money, and Ohe also gave him approval for the land. If you take a very close look at this approval, one, Ohe is the head of the community. If the security part of this paper, check whether Ohe name dey there.
Or maybe get people when we say the sign for
Who?
Ohena.
Nobody when he's alive.
No. Okay, maybe you get.
Wait
maybe
again. The name here is Eddie.
Okay, maybe they get community now when we say
You know
they get
the-
community, they get people in the charge of land and the rest.
Ohe is the first person to sign.
Are you saying say any land when we say come from Okoromi now head the signer?
Yes.
You got anyone like that here? When we say Ohe sign?
I don't have it right here now.
Okay.
Subsequently, I can bring it.
Okay.
If I sell land for you, which name would they? Not
Now
your
your
name.
name,
Would they?
if you sell land
Okay,
for
this
me.
name here is Eddie Huango.
Okay.
It's
So now,
Eddie Eyosu.
Eyosu, and the-
Yes.
And this is the document he heard on television.
Yes.
Say Ohe sold to him.
Yes, sir.
Listen, who is Eddie? Eddie is a tipper driver, as you claim.
Yes.
And Austin Huango said this is the document he obtained from Ohe that sold land to him. You know what can happen? We surprise everybody. We, the elders of the community, come sit down and say, "With this kind of guy he be, we address press conference. Say, see, wait, we don't know the authenticity of this document. And the person in question never gave money to him where he go give am this kind of paper.
Okay.
Surprisingly, on Tuesday precisely, they came, some members of the Tipa Union came to us for interest group don dey enter, and we resolve the matter. The person wey get this name, this document came out and agreed that this is Eddie Oyosu and he's a tipper driver. How did you get this place? He now told us that actually he bought from Egbiri.
Okay.
You bought from Egbiri. Who?
Okay. Before they come to
On the
market.
Then who you are you come get this transaction wey you take get this kind paper? Na they come mention one boy name wey he call Joe. Say na him meet am, come help am come meet Ohe. Ohe come say make he bring money, but when he collect the money, he come go give the Joe for house.
Okay, whether the Joe give the money to Ohen now or
No,
not.
then how come you come still take get this kind paper wey Ohe no sign, him name no dey?
Okay.
Now he come talk say na the same Joe na he give am.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
So
Okay,
what we are saying now, you should come with that person.
We'll come back to you because you get the first question
gets-
I ask you.
yes.
No, if you talk, you reply. We don't go live here too.
Yes.
You understand? And we get very limited time. If you get the first question I ask you, you never tell me. I say, wait till make una come talk. Say una no go give sand
To
Okoromi. And after we talk and say, you say for 7 days. After 7 days, I go do and say, you say the whole of Edo State na no go give sand.
Yes.
Wait till make am when better say na so na no go give sand.
Wetin make us say we no go give sand to Okoromi is that they take our land. Land wey belong to members of Edo Tipper Driver Association. We cannot give Okoromi sand to build on the land wey they take from our hand. That is why I say we no. That is why we say we no give them sand. You understand? So may I quickly respond to wetin my brother talk just now concerning woman get land, no be woman get land. You say the woman wey get land dey abroad.
That is what I was told by one Mrs. Peggy.
You know anybody like Peggy? My brother say, my brother say,
Peggy, sir, let me clear. Peggy na agent to Okoromi.
okay.
If he see who wan buy land, he go connect the person to them.
Okay.
Peggy no connect una with a corporate body.
Yes, now therefore the first time.
Then not be say Peggy bring this our driver come wey come buy land.
Okay. So in this matter, when we say we dey go now, my brother Austin,
Yes, sir.
Vice Chairman for Edo Tipper
Yeah.
Driver Association, as the matter they go now, wait till you feel say yes, be the way out of this because if you dey draw one rope, that rope go cut, and the way we say we dey, now we go still dey. No, I never come to you. I go ask you. I dey ask you, brother. So with this kind of matter now, if we say we no go agree, wait till go come make una before na come say we go agree.
Nothing more.
Then
If they give us our land, we not get wetin we dey use wahala take dey do.
okay.
When they give us our land, when we buy from them, no problem again.
Una buy for Ibiri.
We buy for them. Why
Okay.
did I say we buy for them?
Okay, that's the okay. First, the one
Because-
chairman buy.
Yes.
Okay.
The one they collect 300, they collect 700,000. That 700,000. What is that 700,000?
And now they mention 700,000. Never
That
mention
is,
this
no,
one.
that is they collect. The Ohe collected
Oga,
300 when he
Oga.
was a target. This man took 400,000 from our driver when he is still the Okagele of that community. All those money you collect from those people, what for?
Wait. If person, no say the person with the
Okay,
drown
wait,
forever.
hold on. Now,
Person with the drown
look
forever.
at my
Anything wey
chairman.
you see,
The
Then
deputy
go home.
governor personally interfere into that matter. He settled the matter. He set nobody to look into the matter. At the
when
end,
you don't have
it was
facts
resolved.
issues and not the
That-
reason.
How was it?
don't drag-
How was it resolved?
Yeah, it was resolved that Ojonwe then, he said since deputy don't involve for this matter, we will settle am. Oye, give us 200,000. Then you go
No,
away.
I won't find out.
You
Wait
understand?
till the
At the
deputy.
end-
Who is saying all that?
Wait, bros. If you want to do the program, this time you want the man get up for you.
No.
I want to find out from you. Who? What will be the resolution, or what is how the deputy going to resolve the matter? God
Yeah,
bless you.
deputy governor set up
Committee.
a committee. Go and look
To the matter.
into the matter.
They don't bring that.
All of them go Okoromi community.
They don't
go
bring-
meet the elders.
I understand all of this
They
one.
go resolve. Say, okay, as if you say that deputy governor now involved for this matter, go give us 200,000.
Maybe they give that money.
Yeah, we will give them money 200,000. Now he chairman beg say he no get 200,000. He call you 100,000 take beg them. They take the money.
Wait first. If you get a 200,000, what will happen?
Wetin wan come happen? If you get the 200,000 because now that's to say when you pay that money, the land will go.
Not be implication. We know that is to say.
Yeah.
They say make you bring 200,000. Say if you bring 200,000, we go give you the land.
We will give you the land. You go dey work for the land.
Okay, and I give you the 200,000.
They give the 100,000.
They agree. They agree to take the 100,000.
Yeah, they say chairman go dey work.
Upon that, they no stay allow and work.
He go there, he build security house
Okay,
for the place, fence around.
okay.
Now, if you enter the compound now, they don cut am for another. As we dey talk now, they dey roof the house.
Other person don't come.
Another person don build for there, they dey roof the house as we dey talk now.
Okay.
You know why they dey eager to talk.
One year.
The truth don already come out. Any possible way for the way they drown, anything wey you see now they hold.
Right.
Do you understand? Mo first start with this paper just now. Check compare the two paper wey dey here, so you will see the difference. That one will go be by your own decision. Two, you say deputy governor send person come. You see, who be we or Okoromi wey be say we hear or we see say person like that of that caliber come or a same delegate come, we will go ignore. Not just involve wetin you know say you no get facts.
Are we saying deputy
Okay,
governor?
are you
Wait. Deputy governor no raise up committee to the
Nothing.
matter?
Okay, is
And they
deputy
talk am for
governor
life.
not
Listen
aware of
na.
this matter?
No. You know if you know.
I know
Listen,
that you
wait,
don't
wait.
talk. Let me explain.
Wait, I want to find. He talks to deputy. Are you saying deputy governor no set up any
No,
committee like that?
nothing.
Nothing like that. He just make am up.
He just dey make am up now.
Okay.
Now,
He just dey make am. Yes. You see, they talk something just now say na so they say me you breed this one, na so they say me breed this one. My brother, me and you know. When Oba demarcated the boundary between those two communities was January 4th, 2017. We are in 2021.
Okay.
Why is it now that they now remember that they have properties in Okoromi and were duly sold to them by Egbere people? You see what they happen, eh? People they hide under Tipa Garage or Tipa Association. One, if you are aggrieved, say actually I sold land to you and the land you not get, what you supposed to do? We not get police for this country. Or you don't get the right to go to court.
Police go talk say yes, they
Wait,
don't get court for land
what if you
matter.
go court, say I pay so and so money to somebody like this for land, and at the end I don't get the land, you don't get the right to go to court. It's Tipa a garage, an extension of the Court of Appeal in Edo State.
Okay. I want to find. I want to.
When three persons come on Tuesday.
Okay, yeah, I want to find. Wait, I want to find out.
Three persons
Wait,
will
I
come.
want to find out from you, my brother. Are we saying this when we see they do the land now? They call they demarcate the line.
Yes.
The land. So property people when they buy for Egbere before.
Yeah.
You understand
Yes.
now? The land come fall for on a side now.
Yes.
What you not counted them before they figure their land back? I mean, I think
You
nobody
see,
get land
they
there
need to
again.
mention three persons now. Those three
No,
persons.
no, general question.
Now, I want to answer your question directly.
Yeah.
The three persons where they send come on Tuesday or Monday precisely. When we reach their side, they talk for television, say they demolish their land. The three where they which one they demolish? None of them. And two were owned by women, and one was owned by the person in name did that paper, Eddie Eyosu. Okay, now, if actually you have issues like this, more than 1,000 people were going to sell all the land for, we have been able to resolve them.
Okay.
Why it be say only there are three own now?
Why can the
Like
cost
the
issue?
cost issue,
Okay.
which is there's undertone for this matter. And look, you see, by implication, this is the judgment from High Court 1.
We not say judgment there.
Okay.
And they rule in our favor.
In our favor. If you, as a journalist, you get case for court and you get judgment in your own favor with concerned property, are you not, or will you not enjoy the fruit of that judgment?
Of course, I should. Okay, because time not be our friend again now. We want to come and I want me to summarize the whole thing now. What you now want now make they do for now before you be say yes, you now continue to supply sand. Go give those communities with this especially the Okoromi community.
Yes, okay, you still give me small time.
We don't get the time. No mean they allocate
the answer. The one where belong to the state chairman.
Okay.
Now true say
no. If you want proof,
no, wait, I don't get time again. The state chairman of those state tipper driver association, he get land for Okoromi.
For now, he should come with the document, even though from Egbire. Wait, you ask me question.
Yes,
now that document, you don't get. See the document.
Now,
so whoever that is agreed,
may come with the paper.
May una come. That is what my hair even said on air. You know, this man tell me say you get a particular.
Show proof. Say you get.
Show proof.
Finally, sir. I want answer. That your Ohe, who they represent for that Okoromi?
They represent the community.
They represent
the community.
Yes. They will put her for there.
Now Oba put her.
Now, Oba Sema will not destroy any house when they don't build. This one a picture of house.
Houses, eh?
Houses. This one are the house where they don't build. You see as grass cover because the person not see money take forward again. Now the new look, that be this one.
They go destroy.
They use caterpillar to destroy.
Okay.
Now look at this one. This one a person first. They break am.
Okay.
Now look at this one.
No, what if the show? What if you guarantee now they break am?
Very sure. Okay. Now they break am.
Okay.
Now look at this one. This one na person house. Look at the level of the house now. Now like this it can be.
Okay, no problem. You know
now which power Ohe get
God bless you
to dey destroy people house where Omonoba himself say any house where they build may they not destroy for this building.
Just 10 seconds.
Wait. You know 10 seconds. No worry. We'll take small break. I'll come back to you people again. We'll just take small break. We'll come back. Not go anywhere. Stay with us. In the name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. Last this matter, we'll find the ending before we say we will leave here today. We'll take small break. Stay. When you see the waka they go, the matter when we say concern Okoromi, Egbire can join and tipper drivers come. The other people they want to say get land for the matter now. Be say they look so. How we go take come up for this matter? If they draw here, they draw and there. The rope go cut to. When the rope cut, the say many people the thing go affect them. So how we go do and be say you no go cut? We get here since Lucky Osadaye, the Okaigele of Okoromi community, and we get the vice chairman for Edo State. Tipper Driver Association, Austin
Omuarega.
Yes. I like to know because the big, very big mini. So I want to find out from you because what they get now, we say some of all these pictures when we say my brother show me so. He show us one just let say land the chairman when claim saying that chairman side. You don't build on one side fence there, but once you say new building for the same place, I want to reconcile them.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all,
but don't say if I talk say yes, chairman no get land there.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you say you get land there, come meet the community. Because if we can resolve matter way past 1,000, now only 3 we know if we can resolve. Okay. So if you are coming, come with the relevant documents.
Okay.
Come tell us say, see how you take acquire the land. If na Egbire first sell for you, we they give listening ears to people.
Okay.
And terms and conditions go there.
Okay.
If na Okoromi sell for you, as I rightly said, you are not. If I na me sell land for you. You have the right to carry me go anywhere. But one thing where they surprise me now, it's like we know they do something according to the law for this state again, especially this state. If they display pictures just now, saying I saw this from me, these are the things you're supposed to tender either in police station or in court.
Okay.
You understand? So if Tipper Union now, they do the work of the Court of Appeal of Edo State, you get the way it be. If they ask one question, I quickly talk that one. He say, Oba say they forbid to demolish house. Me, I never see house where they demolish.
Okay.
And again, if you come, say you buy land from Egbire, see how the matter can be. Okay, now we go look, come with your document, we'll see how we'll take marry the two together. So if the work of the judiciary or the security agents in
you want to take upon yourself,
then you can't take upon yourself as wey be say both will be tipper driver, who not be tipper driver, all of the, even the people wey surprise us, the people who gather dey go court from Egbere, they were on that press conference that they did.
okay, no wahala. My brother, I want to find out from you now, in this case now, because what will be the way out of this whole matter? Because like you dey talk, what will they hear now say this is not personal thing? How long go be personal thing of one person? Because your chairman now just say yes, I want to start the whole of Edo State. Or even at the community, no problem, or the whole of Edo State. How long go one person matter to serve the whole of Edo State?
We don't want to use one person matter to suffer
The other
whole
people.
Edo State.
Because I talk, I say if 7 days pass now, they don't agree the whole of Edo State.
So they shut Edo State down.
I don't go send stand to them again.
Yes. We talk that one don't pass. Yesterday we do meeting with SSG.
Okay.
SSG talk to us.
Okay.
He beg us.
Okay.
He say as it be, since not be everybody offend us, the community when offend us, we make sure say sand not enter.
Or more ambitious and settle the matter with them.
Yes, we make sure say sand not enter until he resolve the matter.
Okay.
Now the present situation I be that now.
Okay.
So by the grace of God, tomorrow, last Saturday, we are not working because of this matter. We want to call all our members, then educate them where and where. Or me follow where they know will prove some.
Okay, now the same question I before now they ask you now.
Yeah.
How it is feel say yes, will take come out for this kind wahala when we see with this?
Another thing not there. Now waiting I first talk, now I still talk.
Now be say
If they give us our land, we not get problem with it.
Okay.
Now 3 people. Now we dey fight for when they are member.
I fight for
Yes.
the other people.
If they give us our land, we not get issue with them. We will start work
Okay.
immediately.
Okay, thank you so
Waiting
much.
to talk to me and just put small thing.
No, if not small thing, they put more for here.
Because he say na 3 people. No say I fit talk am
He
since.
said the 3 of them.
The 3 of them they came on Monday. Now only one fit prove himself say na tipper person. The other 2 land na women I get am. Then make me ask that
No,
question.
if you mention that they are wife of the team.
Hey,
No, they not get mama, they
automatically,
not get wife.
automatically it becomes
So
an
if you get
individual
them-
issue.
Okay.
Can an individual person in own matter and as a comrade, a personal affair go supersede the interest of the general masses?
Go hard.
Go hard.
Anyway, my
Yeah.
brother, we
very
thank you
much.
so much. We thank God. Say you get one final thing.
Yes,
you
I
want to
get
talk.
what I want to talk.
Okay.
That one when they talk, when they say single person.
Bros, you know
It's
what to do.
our
Wait
member.
wait first. Wait
Yeah.
first. You know
More
what
than
to do
bring
there.
una documents
You know-
wey I take
you know
buy
what
the
to do
land
there,
come.
Yes,
bros,
More
you know
than
what to
come
do
for
there.
me.
If everything when we say talk, we go dey reply. We don't get what TB say. We go.
Okay.
You say that your member, it's not be your member. And say to sort the whole thing, to make you bring the documents come.
Simple.
When I settle the whole matter and all of that, because one make everything the waka. Because whether we like them or not, any war when we say they fight when we say big, at the end of the day, round table they come to talk about it. And they settle. And our settlement now you want now. You know what I'm saying? The settlement now you want.
This-
The
the
next
same
person
thing.
say why man we
Okay.
and let me say that talk of Benin. And if you know Benin, your the way your name takes sound, it shows say yes, you dey close to Benin people. Well, thank you so much when we say yes, you come here. I will not say the next time when we say I will come here. Now matter say yes, we don't resolve the matter, no matter, no issue for ground again. My brother Lucky, we thank you so much. I will pray may God continue to protect you, may God protect you now. Send me word to your chairman, may God continue to bless him. We'll take small break now for this matter. More drink some water. We'll come back again, not go anywhere. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, the directory from Independent Television. Stay with us.